Okay, the main point of this survey is to look at the distribution and abundance of different bird species here in the Barents Sea. For my job here, it's simply sitting quite strategically and looking straight ahead of the vessel around to 90 degrees. So I'm looking at one quadrant of the sea only, and I'm looking in different distant bands from 50 metres, 100 metres, 200 metres and 300 metres. And what I'm recording initially are numbers of birds seen in flight, numbers of birds seen on the water. The most abundant species that we'll see around the boat would be fulmar and kittiwakes, and the majority of the birds will be at the rear of the boat, especially when there has been some trawling. But what we do is look at the rear of the boat to look at what percentage or ratio of birds are at the back. So for example, if I see 3 fulmars out here forward of the vessel, I check behind to see what the abundance is. There could be 300-400 birds at the back of the boat. So it just gives us a rough idea as to what these ship-following birds are actually doing. Are they just concentrating on the back of the boat, or are they moving further afield? The reason why we undertake surveys such as this one in the Barents Sea is to make some comparisons with previous surveys. That gives us a very good idea as to what changes there might be in abundance, populations, diversity of species, especially in times of climate change.